I'm Kathleen Sims, and I work with couples and individuals so they can have more love in their life. And it's different than coaching or counseling, actually. Counseling is talking the entire time, and coaching is clarifying, which I do this also, helping people clarify their values and their vision and what they actually want in a relationship. But healing process work actually can go back and heal things that have happened to us in our history, things that have hurt us, things that we're storing in our subconscious mind that our behaviors are coming out of, and they're not serving us any longer, but we don't know how to change them. Process work can actually reprogram the subconscious mind for us to have a new future. I feel so blessed that I am working with people at this stage of our evolution, because years ago process work was not even available, and now there's new technologies that we can work with people where we actually can heal our history and have a new future. I'd love for you to come to my website or contact me and ask me what questions are burning in your heart about relationships and love.